Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday 6th of July. Now we are back with another one yet, and this is again a new story, new candlestick, and as we progress through the days, we always find an answer somehow of what is going to happen into the market. Now you do have some sort of a spinning top bearish, which is a spinning top bearish here, and there's a good chance you actually reverse to the downside today. If today you do come down to 19,253, then you're putting in an evening star, isn't it? And then when you put the evening star, you're looking to go and drop further to the downside, right? Now the thing is, there's something I just noticed, and this is quite important to point out, because I think after some few candlestick printed out, and then I came to notice this one, of course, and not before that one. So when we had this massive move to the upside, I'm just going to hide the volume, bring all the candlesticks here. So I'm going to remove the drawings as well, so that we can actually get a clear chart and a clear explanation of what's going to happen. The thing is, on the Binance I showed you Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is trying to do. So let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. And yeah, keep in mind today that today is actually Wednesday and tomorrow is going to be Thursday, so they can actually pump it in the Thursday as well. So the 3-daily, the 3D time frame here still has a bear flag. Did we invalidate the bear flag? No, the bear flag is still not invalidated, and the effectiveness of that bear flag is still in play. The highest you can still pick it up is $20,578, right? That's where you might end up actually pushing a little bit slightly higher. You do have a reversal pattern, and now these two candlesticks are actually quite a bullish reversal sign, okay? So, but the problem really is that you have to break that resistance. Otherwise, this has no meaning at all, okay? Now the candlestick that has been printed is bullish nonetheless. Issue comes in that you still have to cross the bear flag. Now comes in to why I titled this video from a bear flag to an Adam and Eve, okay? Adam and Eve. And what do I mean by that? I'm gonna tell you in a minute. So this is like a Bitcoin chart at the moment, right? And then that's on a 3-day time frame, and then we have this one on the daily time frame. Right, let's go to Google and let's actually draw this so that I can actually explain. So I'm gonna bring in the Adam and Eve double bottom pattern, and that's something that Bitcoin has actually printed out. So this image looks way more better to explain the Adam and Eve double bottom right there. So left bottom, right bottom, and then a breakout, right? Now listen carefully, if you somehow come up here and break this level, which is going to be that bear flag pole or a flag, you break the flag and then you flip and switch into a bullish pattern known as Adam and Eve double bottom, which means that, I don't know if I'm going to get the double bottom pattern in the pattern menu. I just want to check if they have any double bottoms here. So XABCD pattern here, triangle pattern, head and shoulders. Where the hell are you, man? I don't think I'm going to find it at the moment. That's actually really, really bad. Yeah, but don't have it, but that's okay. That's okay. What I want to say though is that you do have, when you make a very narrow bottom, like this was a very quick narrow bottom just right there, okay? I'm just going to take the brush. All right. This was a very quick narrow bottom, like very quick bottom first of all. Now the second bottom is actually extended. Do you see that? It's almost like a cup-shaped bottom. Of course, for this one to play out, you're gonna have to come up here and break the flag, which is not the flag, actually the neckline, $21,541. If you do manage to actually go to $21,500, now let's look at it that way, that's also breaking the flag itself. Do you see that? You're gonna actually break the flag, and you're gonna actually put in a double bottom bullish pattern. So you're invalidating a bearish pattern, and you are flipping into something that is a bullish one, and that is Adam's and Eve double bottom. Just notice how Even here you do have that left bottom, which was quite quickly here. I don't know if it's visible to you, but there was like 2 candlestick making the left bottom, and then some few printed out candlestick making the right bottom. Breakout, came for the retest, and then you continue higher. So if you do something like that, then I expect Bitcoin to go from this level to that level, and then the next technical target, if you do manage to actually break this out, you're looking for BTC to actually come up here to $24,569. Can it do that? Certainly it can. It can do that, and it would even make sense because Bitcoin has never really retested these areas. These are levels that Bitcoin yet has to retest. As long as you're not just breaking the flag, you're not looking to go there, period. And this is what I do have in mind right now, and this is something that even kind of mentioned to some few members in the Discord, the premium ones, that I do think it's better for Bitcoin to actually go up and break this neckline. And the world can wait, guys. The world can really wait. Now there are so many altcoins that have reached the resistance point as well. So for example, if I show you Glamour, okay, some of them are breaking out and they're going against Bitcoin as well, and I've noticed that one. But you can already see that this one is still so negative right now on a because it's really failing this neckline. You can see they touch there, you got a touch here as well, and another touch right there as well, and you're still failing. Okay, so that actually just gives you a hint that Bitcoin might not be interested to basically move higher and continue to the upside as well. Now another altcoin that I think is known as ALPACA, yeah, this one right here, it did actually break the neckline, right? So this is your neckline right over here. So I'm just going to give you a chit chat. This would be an amazing entry if you do pass the retest though. So if you do come down here, now you can see some of them are breaking the neckline and some of them are just making this double bottom pattern to continue higher. So this can come down, find a very big support and move higher. Do you get my point here? Another one that actually did make, and we did actually put a trade, was CVX. I don't know, I don't even remember. CFV, damn, CFX. Wait a minute, I just forgot the name. Oh, alright, never mind. Maybe someday I'm gonna remember. Maybe it's CVX. Damn, what the hell. What I'm actually gonna do is minimize this Binance thing, and I'm pretty sure that we're gonna find it right over here somewhere in the gain. Yeah, CVX. So if you do look at CVX here, we're gonna find this one that actually did break a double bottom and it went to the technical target. So that's the double bottom right over there. On a daily it has a little bit of a retest pending, but on the 4-hour time frame it was a different story, and this was one of the trades we took. Got a successful trade out of it. So that was like a double bottom on a 4-hour time frame. Do you see that? So it did break out, right? Breakout, came for the retest, passed the retest, and went higher. So we are finding very mixed clues right now for Bitcoin as well, but it's better to confirm through Bitcoin. A lot of coins are just hinting that Bitcoin can make a double bottom and go higher, because a lot of them are just making double bottom and moving higher, but some of them are still at the resistance, showing that there's no willingness to go to the upside. So what is it going to be? Is it going to be this bear flag playing out, which I think it's going to play out, by the way, right? My take is the bear flag playing out and we see Bitcoin at 9,400 or even $7,700, which I'm going to talk maybe about tomorrow, why Bitcoin can go to $7,700. Why can it go there? And yes, it's a technical journey to go there. Or flip the switch, go higher. They can push the prices higher, come back for the retest, and then actually go and retest the $24,000 before actually dropping and moving further to the downside. That's it for today's update on Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.